Before we get into the video, check the description and join our daily giveaways.
CHILIZ gives blockchain-based answers for the games and media outlets. The organization has fostered a restrictive token, the CHZ token, which is utilized to drive its fan commitment stage, Socios.com. CHILIZ has organizations with the absolute greatest names in sports, including FC Barcelona, Juventus, Paris Saint-Germain, AS Roma, and Manchester City. The organization is settled in Malta. Alexander Dreyfus is the organizer and CEO of CHILIZ. He has north of 20 years of involvement establishing and developing electronic organizations. Before sending off CHILIZ, he established WebCity, an intuitive travel guide, and Winamax and Chili Poker, both web-based poker projects. Dreyfus is a sequential business visionary who saw the capability of utilizing blockchain innovation to upset the customary games industry. Since its send-off, Socios.com has quickly turned into the world's driving fan commitment stage controlled by blockchain innovation. The stage permits fans to decide on club choices through a portable application or web interface utilizing CHZ tokens. Fans can likewise buy selective product and encounters from their number one clubs through Socios.com's e-commerce store. What is CHILIZ, CHZ? The CHILIZ stage was made determined to give fans a better approach to draw in with their number one games groups. The stage utilizes blockchain innovation to permit fans to decide in group choices and furthermore offers prizes for partaking in the administration of their picked group. The Socios stage is at present utilized by a portion of the world's greatest games clubs, including FC Barcelona, Juventus, Paris Saint-Germain, AS Roma, and Galatasaray. Blockchain innovation offers various advantages for the two avid supporters and clubs. For fans, it gives a better approach to take part in the administration of their number one group. It additionally offers straightforwardness and security with regards to deciding in group choices. For clubs, blockchain furnishes a method for interfacing with their fan base and make new income streams. CHILIZ, CHZ, Fundamental Analysis. CHILIZ is a digital money zeroed in on fan commitment and the games and media outlet. The organization behind CHILIZ is Socios.com, a stage that permits sports and diversion associations to tokenize their fan bases. This empowers them to send off fan token offerings, FTOs, which are crowdfunding occasions that offer fans the chance to purchase tokens that address their number one group or association. The Socios.com stage utilizes the blockchain innovation of the CHILIZ coin, CHZ, to make secure, straightforward, and permanent exchanges. The utilization of blockchain additionally takes into consideration quick and effective installments between parties. Exchanges on the Socios.com stage are fueled by the CHZ token. The worth of the CHILIZ coin, CHZ, is gotten from its utility for the exchange on the Socios.com stage. As additional associations send off fan token offerings on the Socios.com stage, the interest for CHZ will increment, driving up its cost. Furthermore, as additional individuals utilize the Socios.com application to purchase and exchange fan tokens, the liquidity of CHZ will increment, making it simpler to change over into cash. Organizations. The CHILIZ Group has organizations with the absolute greatest names in sports, including FC Barcelona, Atletico de Madrid, Paris Saint-Germain, Juventus, AS Roma, OG Esports, Galatasaray SK, and some more. CHILIZ, CHZ, current price. CHILIZ is right now worth $0.219545. CHZ has moved 3.60% as of now with an exchanging volume of $393,230,750. CHILIZ is right now positioned 44 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $1,172,627,442. CHILIZ, CHZ, price prediction. The cryptographic money industry is still in its beginning phases, and consequently, it is hard to make an exact CHILIZ, CHZ, cost expectation. Nonetheless, there are sure factors that can provide us with a thought of where the costs could head from here on out. Coming up next are a portion of the key factors that could influence the cost of CHILIZ, CHZ. 1. Reception by major sporting organizations. One of the key use cases for CHILIZ, CHZ, is fan tokens for major brandishing associations. If an ever-increasing number of sports groups begin taking on CHILIZ's fan tokens, it would prompt expanded interest for CHZ and thusly, an ascent in costs. 2. Expanded reception of digital money. As a rule, as the reception of cryptographic forms of money builds, we can anticipate that costs across the business should rise. This is on the grounds that with additional individuals utilizing digital currency, there will be more prominent interest for these resources, prompting cost appreciation. 3. Ideal guideline. Another element that could decidedly affect CHILIZ costs is positive guideline around digital money. In the event that legislatures or national banks all over the planet begin perceiving digital currencies as genuine resources, it would make ready for standard reception and give a lift to costs. CHILIZ, CHZ, Price Prediction 2022. CHILIZ, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. CHZ. The CHZ cost estimate for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $0.329317. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be steady, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $0.307363 in cost is very aggressive, however it is doable sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and progressions. CHZ is supposed to have a base worth of $0.263454. CHILIZ, CHZ, Price Prediction 2023. In 2023, CHILIZ CHZ cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of CHZ will before long outperform $0.548862. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold back to check whether the CHZ's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, CHZ will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.439090 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.482999. CHILIZ, CHZ, Price Prediction 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $0.768407 and CHZ might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. CHZ is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of